Hey everybody, Brandon Shiga here for week 3 of Mobile Development Frameworks 2. Gonna go over my code really quick and then I'll show you guys how the app works on my phone. So this is my main view controller. I have 3 buttons on it, which I'll show you in the storyboard. Here are my 3 buttons, and then this is my detail view controller. So the first button, which is capture image, I create a new picker controller with the source type as camera. I set the delegate allow editing because it needed to be editable, and then I present the picker controller. For my capture video, I do the camera type again with no editing, and then set the video quality to medium, and then the media type to this constant here. And then again, I present the picker controller. And then for the third option, the choose image, this time it's photo library type instead of camera. And then I present it yet again. So those are the 3 different types of controllers that get displayed on the screen. For my did finish picking media with info, I have 2 images, the original and then the edited one. And then I check to make sure they're both nil. If they are or not nil, if they're both not nil, then I have this custom object I created. So here I instantiated photo object, and then I have a init method, a custom init method, which says init with original and edited. So I pass in the original image and the edited image. And then I dismiss the picker controller, and then when it's completed, I perform this segue called detail picture, which is the segue between these 2 view controllers. So if it's instead a video, not a picture, it follows this path, so it gets the URL string, and then I create a path for it, and then I save it to that path. So these 2 methods are pretty similar. This one actually goes and gets continued on down farther. This one just saves right here. So in the detail view controller, I'll show you guys that really quick. Here I have 2 buttons, a cancel button and a save button, and then I have my did finish saving with error. So if there is an error, it shows an alert that says error, unable to save image to photo album. If there's no error, then it says success and the image was saved to the photo album, and then it shows the alert. On my cancel button, I just have a message display that says that the images were not saved, just to let the user know that they weren't actually saved. And then I pop the view controller off the stack. So this is a navigation controller. So when I call this segue, it pushes this one on top, and then I pop it off. That's the detail view controller. If we go back to my main view controller here, I have my did finish saving with error for the video, and same process. So if there's an error, it says unable to save video, and if not, then it saves the video and it says video saved. And then here's my prepare for segue method. So this is where I pass my object onto this detail view controller. So here you see photo vc dot picture equals photo. So if I go to my detail view controller here, I have another photo object called picture. So that just passes that object on. So then I'll take you into my photo object here. So all this has is an init with original and edited. So I just assign the videos onto the properties of the object, and then in the detail view controller here, this is where I actually assign the images to the 2 different image views. So this all gets passed in from that custom object. So I think that's the point that was trying to get made in the last assignment that I didn't do very well. So I wanted to try to redo it again this time so I can make sure I got it right. And I hope this is the right way. But now I will show you guys how it works on my phone. Hey guys, so I'm back here again with my device. I'm going to go ahead and run the project here. So here's my app. I have the 3 buttons there, along with my instructions at the bottom. Tap the first one to take a picture, second one to record a video, and third one to view the content on the device. So I'll go ahead and tap the first button here. Loads up the camera view. I'll just take a picture of the background. And then I have my retake and use photos, so I'm going to go ahead and rescale this. I'm going to zoom in here on this picture on the wall. And then I'll hit use photo. And it's going to dismiss this view controller and bring up the second one that has both the original image and the edited image. And then at the bottom, I don't know if you can see it too well, I have my cancel and my save, so I'm going to hit save. And then I'm going to get an alert there that says success. The image saved to the photo album. So I'll hit OK. And then it goes back to my normal page here. And then I'll hit the record. Brings up the camera. I'll record a little bit. A couple seconds here. See the timer counting down. Stop recording. And then if I hit use video, it says success. Video saved. If I hit OK, then I can bring up my photo gallery, my camera roll there. This is actually the latest video that it just saved. And then there's my 2 pictures as well that it saved. So all in all, I had a really fun time with this app. I don't really think there was too much I could have done better. I think not using the custom object may have been quicker if I just actually passed in the 2 images directly. But I wanted to try to do it the other way. So hope you guys like it, and I'll see you next week. Thanks a lot.